I see the trend of asset digitization as a long-term trend, and it's really interesting. People are tokenizing, and they're having stable coins out there. They're having new types of coins tied to real estate, tied to commodities like gold and silver and platinum. Really interesting. There are companies out there now, these asset management companies in crypto, that some of them are amazing, and people they're doing a lot of research. They are understanding where they can add value, and I'm really excited about this whole DeFi movement in general. Like what is happening in DeFi right now, and in fintech in general as a bigger category, it's a sea change that's happening, and we're already seeing this in crypto because back in 2017, none of this existed. Like, people now can earn yield on their crypto coins, and they're paying, like, some of these yields, they're paying a lot of money. So you can literally park your money, your crypto, in some account, and they'll pay you, 20% a year on that crypto, guaranteed guaranteed as long as that company is around. Like, if they make a lot of bad bets and they go bankrupt, you could lose it all. So you have to be careful which ones you pick. You have to pick. Don't just go for the highest yield, is what I'm saying. There's some out there that will pay 100% yield, and they can afford to do that in a bull market. But if they make some bad bets, those guys will implode. So you really want one that's more conservative. We're going to see a lot of new types of assets out there. They're going to be assets, they're going to be the equivalent of every type of asset class we have in the real world right now is going to be in the crypto world. There'll be crypto bonds, there'll be crypto commodities, there'll be all of these things are being integrated right now into the crypto world. And it's going to be very interesting. And a lot of people, it's going to be very difficult for the average person to wrap their head around this. But there are a lot of financial advisors out there, a lot of investment firms that are really knowledgeable. Like that they can actually guide you through the process. One of my close friends, Gary Yang, he's the head of Sky Saga. He's Chinese, and he's set up a crypto fund. It's operating out of Singapore, where a lot of these are operating out of. Very smart guy, really on top of it, looking at all the different details and how to manage the money. So, for a lot of investors, they're going to want to go and they're going to want to put their money in a fund that's really well managed from somebody who can actually balance all these things out and actually has the team and the time to do the in-depth due diligence that is necessary to actually make smart investments. I hope you enjoyed the talk. If you liked it, you can come to founderspace.com. You can check out our latest events, contact us, and see my latest books, Make Elephants Fly, Surviving a Startup, and The 5 Forces. You can also find me on all the major social networks. Just search for Founderspace.